Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, this is Adventures. We travel around Kenya, visit our Kenyan gems, then make our people know them and visit them more and more. So guys, let's explore this place. This is Simbi Nyaima, as you can see. We are about to hear its story of how it was formed and the like. We understand how our other lakes were formed, but for this one, it is a special case. And as you can see, it is somehow serene, kumetulia, hakuna panganga mingi, hakuna manyumba around, but we will hear its story. Welcome, let's just sit and listen.
Okay. My name is David Obuya Olonde, one of the tour guide along Lake Simbi region. Lake Simbi Nyaima, it has a very interesting story behind the formation. We have a mythical aspect of it, also the geographical aspect of it. Just one on top, how the entire community benefit from this lake. Mythically state that before this lake has been the way you are seeing it, it was once a village that was well built on uphill. The residents who reside over this place were well known as Kawaswa people. What could brought them a problem? If you know the story of Nyamungo, the son of Ombari. The woman Nyamungo chased away from his village, pay a visit back to the year 1750, month of August, whereby people of Kawaswa people, they have a kind of celebration due because of the good abam harvest they received during that month. When they spotted this old lady, they chased her away due because the dressing code was pleasing the rest of the people of Kawaswa. After being chased away, the woman felt very much thirsty. The first house she knocked onto requested for water. She was not welcomed. The second house applied the same thing. The third house is where he got a help. The woman did the course according to the old doctrine. If you ask for water, you are given porridge or milk. After giving that all the cordial welcome she received, she asked the woman, "Where's your husband?" And the woman told her that my husband over there, where men or her. But we, according to our doctrine, we are not supposed to go where men were. But the woman did a good behavior. She went to call her husband. After calling her husband, told my husband, "There's a visitor who want to talk to you very shortly." And the husband asked her, could she be that woman you saw here? If she's the one, go and chase her away before I came with that horse. The woman bringing back the message. I told him, but he told me to chase you away from his house. The woman sent her for the second time. And the woman, this husband saw her coming. This husband beat her up and told her, "Now go with that old woman before I come on board at my place." When the old woman saw her, she was very shocked and she asked herself, if you are his husband, her husband, and you beat you like this, and me and a visitor, and if you put me there, I may die, and you may beat me up. When in this vicinity, the rain started raining until the home village that was only built on uphill get sunk, and the name come to left behind to be Simbi Nyaima. Simbi is a collective house for the first son. We call it Simba. Nyaima means sunken village. That's the story of mythical aspect of it. Economic importance. Based on Omabay County, Lake Simbi Nyaima is one of the most tourist attractions. Secondly, there's this mineral called sodium bicarbonate, SO4, which is aqueous, being used for cooking local vegetables. Also, it serves as a salt link for cows. Thirdly, this water is also a medicine, a cure for fungal infection, dandruff, foot rot, mashilingi, and many others. Lady Maria got last appeal. They are using the water as a holy water. They believe the woman who chases from this vicinity, she was Mary, mother of Jesus. Thank you.